I'm Cecilia. I've been doing customization printing for over 20 years, which makes me sound old, and probably I am. Anyway, I just bumped into a brand new printing technique and I love it, and I want to show you what I have learned. So please subscribe and you won't be missing out. So on this channel, we'll be going through what the UV printed vinyls will work on, and they are already products that you can transfer at any time to almost any product like wood, glass, plastic, stone, metal. I love it. And in next episode, we're going to go through how does it work on the plastic, what plastic does it work on, and which one it doesn't. And today was a beautiful sunny day, so I transferred my logo, my text to these, and I went out. I love that. So be sure to join me for the next episode, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.